कुठ्ठाळे मतदारसंघातल्या केळशी गावात येवपी मिनी इंडिया ह्या प्रकल्पाक लागून रोजगार संद उपलब्ध जातली। या प्रकल्पाचो सैमाचेर कांयच परिणाम जावचो ना म्हण माहिती पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नाईक।
Files come to us, and I am in the know of things as far as Mini India project is concerned. Initially, the objection was for having any construction done there, especially for a 5-star hotel. In fact, the original plan was to have a 7-star hotel. Not that I am opposed to it. It would have been beneficial for the people of that area. It would have uplifted not only Kelosi and Kortalim, but entire Murmungaon unemployment problem. But they have set at rest this particular issue. They said we are not going to carry any construction. We don't want any 5-star. Now they are getting some flotillas, different models of what is specific to all the states. Iconic monuments are being showcased on a floating platform. So that necessarily does not trouble anyone. Captain of Ports has given permission, and that is all they need. But some people are misguiding, as it happens in Goa, too much of activism. And when we elected representatives ourselves try to do activism, it is going to prove negative for the state of Goa. On the one side, we lament that Goans are going outside Goa, they are going abroad because there are no jobs. And when there is a beautiful project coming up, which we, without polluting the environment, which will not impact the area around, and then we want to put a halt to that, then how will the unemployment problem be solved? How will the exodus to other places stop? It is high time we think positively. If all of us think positively, allow good projects to come up, then only Goa will prosper. Unemployment problem will be solved by generating more jobs. There will be income to the panchayats, there will be income to the government. All this revenue generated will be for the overall good of the citizens of the state or the country.